As you hand over your luggage at the airport check-in counter, have you ever wondered what happens to it next? Does it embark on a mysterious journey of its own, zigzagging through unseen parts of the airport? Today, we're going behind the scenes to uncover the intricate process that ensures your bag meets you at your destination, and why investing in quality luggage and security is more important than ever. After you check in your luggage, it enters a complex and highly automated system designed to efficiently move your bag from the check-in counter to the aircraft. But this journey is anything but simple. Once your bag is tagged and placed on the conveyor belt, it passes through an intricate network of conveyors, scanners, and security checkpoints. First, your luggage is sent through an automated baggage handling system. This system comprises miles of conveyor belts and diverters, which direct your bag to its next destination within the airport. Along the way, it will pass through several scanners, including X-ray machines and other security devices, to ensure there's nothing dangerous inside. These systems are incredibly advanced, capable of identifying a wide range of materials and potential threats without opening your bag. Once your luggage has passed all security checks, it is sorted based on its flight destination. Automated systems read the barcode on your luggage tag to determine where your bag needs to go. It's then directed to the appropriate chute or loading area, where it is grouped with other bags destined for the same flight. From there, your luggage is loaded onto a baggage cart, which is driven to the aircraft and loaded into the cargo hold. But what happens if your luggage needs to be transferred to another flight during your journey? In such cases, the process becomes even more intricate. Upon arrival at your connecting airport, your bag is quickly unloaded and sent back through a similar system, where it is directed to the correct flight. Speed and accuracy are critical here, as the window for transferring luggage can be very tight. Given the complexity of these systems and the sheer volume of bags being handled, millions each day worldwide, it's impressive that the vast majority of luggage reaches its destination on time. However, it's not without risk. Mishandling, delays, or even damage can occur, which is why investing in quality luggage is more than just a luxury. It's a necessity. Hard suitcases offer superior protection for your belongings. Unlike soft shell cases, which can be easily compressed or punctured, hard shell luggage provides a sturdy barrier against the rigors of airport handling. Your bag might be stacked under heavier luggage or exposed to rough handling by automated systems, so the extra durability of a hard suitcase can make all the difference. Security is another critical factor. While airports have sophisticated security measures, it's wise to add an extra layer of protection with luggage locks. TSA-approved locks allow airport security to open your bag without damaging the lock, but they also deter potential thieves. Remember, your luggage will be out of your sight for extended periods, so safeguarding your valuables is essential. Lastly, luggage tracking devices are becoming increasingly popular. These small devices can be tucked into your suitcase and linked to your smartphone, allowing you to track your bag's location in real time. This technology offers peace of mind, especially during tight connections or when traveling to destinations where luggage mishandling is more common. If your bag does go astray, tracking devices can significantly increase the chances of a swift recovery. So, the journey your luggage takes after check-in is an impressive feat of modern engineering and logistics, but it's not without its challenges. By investing in quality luggage, securing it with reliable locks, and considering a tracking device, you're taking proactive steps to ensure your belongings reach your destination safely and securely.